Hi, sir. What's your name?
My name is Douglas.
I just need to check your medicine history. Are you agree?
Okay,
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Have you never smoked before?
Yes, I smoke 10 joints a day.
Do you consume alcohol at all?
Yes, I drink alcohol.
Is there any history of heart disease in your family?
Yes, my father has heart disease.
And have you high blood pressure?
Yes, I have.
Any diabetes in your family?
Only when I enjoy health.
Do you have regular exercise?
Yes, I have.
That's not a problem. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.